Anna, are you hungry? We've been walking around the city for hours.
Yes, Sam, I am very hungry. I think I could eat almost anything right now.
Then we need to find a good restaurant.
I saw a nice restaurant around the corner. It looked busy, so the food must be good.
That's usually a good sign. Busy restaurants often have many happy customers.
Let's go there. I also want to try some local food.
Good idea. Do you want something light or a big meal?
I want a proper meal. I'm really hungry today.
Then let's see what they have on the menu.
I hope they have something I like.
I'm sure they do. Most restaurants have many different choices.
Great, let's go inside.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Do you have a table for two?
Yes, we do. Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Can we sit outside, please?
Of course. Please follow me.
This table looks perfect. We can see the street from here.
Here are your menus. Your server will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Let's look at the menu.
There are so many things to choose from.
I know. I'm already having trouble deciding.
What are you thinking about ordering?
Maybe grilled chicken with rice and vegetables.
That sounds good. I might order pasta.
Do you want to try something new?
Maybe. What is today's special?
Let's ask our server when they come.
Good idea. I want to know what they recommend.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think we are ready.
Wonderful. Can I start you with something to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Of course. Anything else?
And for my friend, a glass of orange juice, please?
Certainly. Are you ready to order your food?
Yes. What is today's special?
Today's special is grilled chicken with rice, vegetables, and a small salad.
That sounds delicious. I'll have that, please.
Excellent choice.
As for my friend, she will have the pasta. What kind of sauce does it have?
It comes with a creamy tomato sauce and vegetables.
Is it spicy?
No, it is not very spicy.
Great. We'll have grilled chicken and pasta, please.
Would you like any bread for the table?
Yes, please.
I'll bring that right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready soon.
Sam, this bread is really fresh.
Yes, it's warm and soft too.
I could eat the whole basket.
Save some space for your pasta.
You're right. I don't want to get full before the main meal.
Okay, the food is here. The chicken smells amazing.
My pasta looks even better than I expected.
Try it.
Wow, the sauce is really good.
Is it spicy?
No, it's perfect. The flavor is rich, but not too strong.
That's good.
How was your chicken?
It's tender and juicy. The vegetables are fresh too.
I think we made good choices.
Definitely.
What does tender mean?
It means the meat is soft and easy to eat.
Oh, that's a useful word.
Yes, you can use it when you talk about meat.
I'll remember that.
Now, let's enjoy our dinner.
Sam, could you ask the waiter for some more water?
Sure.
Excuse me, could we have some more water, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you. Could I have some extra cheese, please?
Certainly, I'll bring some for you.
Thank you very much.
See, that's an easy way to ask for something.
Yes. Could I have sounds polite.
Exactly.
I think I'm learning a lot of useful English at restaurants.
That's because you're using English in a real situation.
And the food makes learning more enjoyable.
I completely agree with that.
How was everything?
Everything was excellent, thank you. I really enjoyed my meal.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. I'd love to see it.
Here you are. Take your time.
Thank you. Everything looks so delicious. It's hard to choose.
Our chocolate cake is very popular today.
That sounds perfect. Is the chocolate cake very sweet?
It's sweet and rich with a soft chocolate filling.
That sounds wonderful. I'd like to order 1 slice of chocolate cake, please.
Certainly. Would you like anything to drink with your dessert?
Yes, please. Could I have a cup of tea?
Of course. Would you like milk or sugar with your tea?
Just a little sugar, please.
No problem. I'll bring your cake and tea shortly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your dessert.
I'm sure I will. The cake sounds delicious.
I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. This will be the perfect ending to my dinner. Sam, I think we are finished.
Me too. Should we ask for the bill?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Let me take a quick look.
Of course. Please take your time.
Everything looks correct. The total is $62.
That's right. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
Can I pay by card, please?
Yes, of course. You can use the card machine here.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
The service was excellent tonight.
Thank you very much. I'm happy you enjoyed your dinner.
We really enjoyed the food and everything was served perfectly.
That's wonderful to hear.
I'd also like to leave a tip for the good service.
Thank you. We really appreciate that.
You're very welcome. Could you bring me the receipt, please?
Certainly. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I hope you have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. We had a great time here.
We hope to see you again soon.
I'm sure we'll come back. Have a great evening.
You too. Thank you for coming.
That was a really nice dinner.
Yes, I really enjoyed it. The food was delicious.
And the chocolate cake was my favorite.
I knew you would say that.
The evening feels so peaceful now.
Yes, it's a beautiful night for a walk.
Let's walk around the city for a little while.
Good idea. We don't have to hurry.
Let's enjoy the rest of the night.
Absolutely. Let's go.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Keep practicing English with simple conversations every day.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you for learning English with us.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.